Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I said, you have to save money, save time. Now I'm gonna be making a lovely simple leftover rice, and I have some salad which I'm gonna put together. I make a lovely rice salad for you guys. All right, so stay tuned. So first thing, I got some leftover rice right here, which I'm going to pour inside of this. So if you're a person who works very hard, this comes in really handy. Now I have some bean. This is just some munch bean left over. You know what I mean? Which I cook. So I can just simply make up a lovely salad. And just bring it to work with me. And all of these is natural stuff, you know what I mean? Home vegetables and all them things there, which is very good for you. Nice one. Got some tomato. Put out some big chunk tomato slice in it. Me's a man, I love my tomato, so it doesn't matter for me. So I just kind of bring this to work with me. You know what I mean? Especially if you're working on the front line, you need to have food. Put back the energy in your body. Now this is some more cucumber, celery which I have left over, and tomato again. You know what I mean? You can share some with a friend. The co-worker loves sweet pepper. Put a half a sweet pepper inside of it. Nice one. Yeah, it's looking easy and simple. Now, just gonna pop a little bit of olive oil inside of it. That come in really handy. Put some black pepper. Little bit of dry chili flakes. That come in lovely and nice. Let's see if we give it a lovely mix. You know what I mean? So basically, this is just something which you can just bring to work and share with the co-worker, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. So, saving money and saving time is very, very important. Now, it's gonna simple scrape out this lovely salad right there. A lot of people doesn't like cold food, but you can always microwave this at work. Honestly, you can always microwave it at work. So if it doesn't like the cold food, just microwave it and get a nice lovely eat from it. Just microwave it a little bit, because you know what I mean, everything that I can eat, wow. Alright, so guys, this is just some more ideas and tips I'm sharing with you. Say, you know what I mean, if you have leftover stuff at work or home or wherever, don't just chuck it in the bin, you know what I mean? You know, sometimes you go to your buy stuff, you gotta chuck your, but don't save money and save time. So enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo team. Bye bye.